the easiest ways to set a target audience for your advert on Instagram. Let's go into Instagram. I'm going to show you the best and most easier ways to set up audience for your Instagram advert. I believe you want to sell your product on Instagram, and that is the aim of you putting your product on Instagram as a business owner. Let me say I want to set an audience. I will just click on boost post. Let's see what will happen. Let me just click on boost and see what is going to happen. So I can click on boost this one. I will just click on next. So I'm going to show you how you will set audience within a minute. Your goal, you want people to message you. You can still let them message you on WhatsApp. If you don't know how to connect your WhatsApp, let me know in the comment section. I'm going to show you. Now you see suggested audience. You see create your own. You are going to click on create your own so that you can create audience that is related to the business that you are doing. So you are going to click on create your own. You can give them a name. Let's say you are a graphic designer, for instance. Let me put web designer audience, for instance. Let me just do it like this. You are going to select your location. If you are in United States of America, you can select your locations. I'm in Nigeria. I can just select some location in Nigeria. Lagos State. I can select Lagos. I can select Abuja. I can select Rivers State. So depending on the location that you have, you can select all the locations here. Once you are done with the location, the next step is for you to select the minimum age. Now, selecting minimum age depends on the product you are selling. If you are selling the product that young people are interested in, so you need to select from 18. For my service, people are from 25 may be interested in getting a website. If they are mature, they are not small children, so you can select from 25. Now you select audience suggestion. This is very important. Interest is very, very important. Let's say web designer, you select fashion. People that are into fashion will be interested in web design, in websites, to get website for their business. Let me say you can see jewelry. You can be selecting all these suggestions. So once you are done with all the suggestions that Instagram is giving you, you see all this one is about fashion. So all this one is about fashion. Let's say you are done with this. You come here again, select another one. Select electronics. Select electronics. See now, select electronics. They are going to be bringing different kind of electronics. You see it now, consumer electronics. You can select phone accessory. People that are selling phone accessory, they may want to do this. They may want to get a website. So you can select real estate. You can select logistics. You can select logistics. You can select logistics. You can see. You can select logistics. You can select transport. You can select transport, freeway. You can see all of them. So you can be selecting them. When you are done with your selection, then the next thing is to click on this mark icon to mark it. Now this is how you can set your audience. So you can see them now. This is our interest. So this is the age and this is the name of the audience. So once you are done, you click on mark again. So your audience have already saved automatically. Anytime you want to run adverts, you will just come. Once you click on boost and you get to this section, you are going to click on web design or the name that you give to your audience. Like I have another on web design. I have CSC registration customer. So this is how you can set audience for your Instagram ad. Before you can boost adverts, you need to set audience so that you can target the people that will be interested in your product. So this is how to set audience. If you have any question, drop in the comment section, and make sure you like this video. Also share to your friends and family.